Hey, it's Mike, and today I'd like to talk about Unity Software Inc. This stock trades on the NYC under symbol U. This stock was down a little over 5%, down to 104.55, and then it continued moving down after hours down to 102.50. You look over the past month, Unity Software has not been doing very well at all, moving from about the 150 level down towards 100. And you look over the past 6 months, it did have a pretty good performance coming up towards the end of the year, moving up from 68 up to 167. It's begun to move back down. However, I do think at a certain point, Unity Software will be able to get out of its downward spiral and be able to turn itself around and do really well, probably over the next 3 to 5 years. I would not say this is a short-term play. This would be a long-term play, an opportunity to get into a really good company that could perform really well over the long term. So Unity Software basically creates solutions for people who want to develop games or develop films or develop anything else that's going to require a lot of like high-end rendering and a lot of like high-end 3D graphics. You look at their solutions; they have ways to create and operate games, virtual solutions for real-world applications for like automotive, transportation, manufacturing. You could also develop films, animation, or other cinematic executions. This is also Unity provides solutions for architecture, engineering, and construction. It's also great if you want to create something for like an ad agency or an ad campaign. There's also some applications for gambling and for educational technology. So there's a lot of different sectors that Unity Software can service. Their main business, though, really is game development. Now, I definitely think that with the reopen trade, that there is some potential for Unity Software to get enhanced business, especially you look at like automotive, definitely with filmmaking and architecture and engineering. But not only that, but they're really the dominant player in this space. There's really not that much competition when it creates this kind of software across a bunch of different sectors. So I definitely think that Unity is worth a look. And I also think it's worth a look because the company is not doing, the stock itself over the past month is looking really, really weak. So there's an opportunity to get in. Now, the one thing you do want to look at is the 50-day moving average on Unity stock. So let me just take a look at it really quick here. I believe, okay, the 50 days 146.36. So you definitely want to wait to get in when it's above 146.36. But right now, definitely keep a watch on Unity Technologies because it could move up pretty fast. I do think in April we're going to have a really strong market. Right now things are pretty weak in the market. However, I don't think we're headed into a bear market or anything like that. I think what happened is just that you've had small caps run up a lot. You've had really nice broad-based rally over the past couple of months, and you probably just need times like these just to take a little bit of air out of the market. But when the market recovers, I definitely think there's potential for Unity Software to move up. So just watch for it to move above the 50-day moving average, and I think you'll get a good entry price on a stock that could do really well over the next 3 to 5 years. So once again, Unity Software trades on the NYC under stock symbol U. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.